Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking two essentials. Your phone is unlocked and linked to your Samsung account. Once ready, open Settings and tap Apps to list installed applications. This saves time versus random searching. You do this because a missing shortcut may still mean the app is installed and only hidden or disabled. Make sure to allow a moment for the apps list to load. If the list is long, use the search field inside Settings to type Internet and jump directly to Samsung Internet. Once done, you will either find Samsung Internet in the apps list or notice it's disabled or uninstalled. If it's disabled, tap it then Enable. This restores the icon and settings. If it's missing, open Galaxy Store, search Samsung Internet, and tap Install. You need network access for this. Make sure to reinstall updates afterward and check permissions so bookmarks and sync work. If you rely on Samsung Cloud or Samsung Account Sync, sign in to restore previous data and tabs. Finish by placing the app where you want it. Open the app drawer, press and hold Samsung Internet, then drag Add to Home or select App Info and Add to Home. If the browser crashes or refuses to open, clear cache and test again, because corrupted cache commonly breaks apps. Reboot the phone after installing or enabling the app to ensure background services restart. If that fails, uninstall updates, reinstall, and log into your Samsung account to recover synced bookmarks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.